Happy holidays, everyone.
All right, everyone. Welcome back for another cautionary tale. It's unbelievable.
What you got for me?
So, have you ever, gotten that, little thrill
Totally. It's like, oh yeah, it's here.
when you see that package delivery notification?
A little something something.
It's like a little present, you know?
Right, except. I didn't order anything, or did I?
Well, today we're diving into the dark side of that feeling, non-delivery scams. Oh no, yeah,
Especially around the holidays.
it really is.
Perfect timing.
Yeah, so we're going to be talking all about that today.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, with the holidays coming up, everybody's ordering gifts online.
Definitely gotta be savvy.
So this is really important information to keep in mind.
Yeah, like the real deal.
So basically, non-delivery scams are all about tricking people into thinking that they're, dealing with a real company, like a legitimate delivery service or a retailer.
Sneaky.
Yeah, when in reality, they're actually talking to scammers.
Well, one of the most common ones is phishing.
So what are some of the ways that these scams actually play out?
Like, imagine you get a text message that says something like, your package is delayed.
Okay.
Click here to reschedule.
Uh-huh.
Oh no, you're already so excited for that package.
Right, you've been tracking it every day.
Exactly, and you're like, oh no, I don't want it to be delayed.
I gotta click this link.
Right, you click without thinking.
Yeah, but that link could lead you to a fake website.
Oh, that's designed to steal your information.
So it's like a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Totally disguised as this helpful message.
Right, so it's they're really good at mimicking, official websites.
Wow.
They're very sophisticated.
Yeah, they can make it look like the real deal. Okay, so how do we spot these fake websites?
Pay close attention to the URL.
Well, you gotta be a detective.
The URL, okay?
Look for misspellings or weird variations of the real name.
Like an O with a 0.
Amazon, that's a good example.
Instead of an O.
Yeah, or maybe an extra letter somewhere.
Okay.
And also look for grammatical errors.
You gotta be really looking closely.
Oh right, typos.
Typos, yeah, because real companies have editors.
Yeah, that makes sense.
They catch those mistakes.
Yeah, like if you were walking down the street
Right.
and you saw a street sign
Yeah,
that was misspelled,
exactly.
you'd know something was up.
You'd be like, wait a minute, this isn't right.
Okay, so pay attention.
And it's the same with websites.
So URLs, misspellings, and then also anything else?
Yeah, always look for that HTTPS
HTTPS?
at the beginning of the web address.
Okay.
And the little padlock icon
Oh, right.
in the address bar.
Right.
Those indicate a secure connection,
Okay.
which helps protect your information. Gotcha. Yeah, so we talked about phishing and fake websites. Right. Are there any other tricks these scammers have up their sleeves?
Talk to the hand.
Yeah, another common one is called advance payment fraud.
Advanced payment fraud. And they'll offer it at a crazy low price.
Something that's sold out everywhere else.
Okay, like a really hot item.
Yeah, so this is where a scammer might advertise.
Oh, wow.
It's almost too good to be true. Yeah, right.
And they pressure you to pay up front.
To...
Secure the deal.
You have to get it before anybody else.
Exactly. But once you send the money, you never get the item.
That is awful.
Especially during the holidays when everybody's on a budget.
Right.
It is. It's playing on our desire for a good deal.
Yeah, totally.
Oh, man.
So, knowing all of this, what are some ways that we can protect ourselves?
Okay, well, the most important thing is be wary of any unsolicited messages about deliveries.
Okay.
Like, if you get a random text or email about a package you weren't expecting, don't click on any links.
Don't click the links.
Go directly to the official website of the retailer or delivery service
To track the package. Yeah.
to track it yourself.
Gotcha.
And remember, legitimate companies, they rarely ask for personal info through email or text.
Okay.
So if they're asking for your credit card number or your social security number over text,
Red flag. It's
a big red flag.
like that saying, yeah, if it sounds too good to be true.
Exactly.
Probably is.
It probably is. Yeah.
So, before making any online purchase, what should we do?
Do your research.
Okay, research.
Yeah, check reviews ratings.
Okay,
Look for feedbacks. Make sure the website is legit.
okay,
And, if you're on a marketplace like eBay or Amazon,
yeah.
check the seller's reputation.
Okay, the feedback.
Yeah, read those comments.
Okay, cool, yeah. What about like payment methods?
Good question. And hold up, is that DC Young Fly? My bad, let's get back to it.
Are some payment methods safer than others?
Yes, definitely. Using a credit card is generally safer than a debit card.
Okay,
Because if you run into a fraudulent transaction, your credit card company will usually have your back.
okay,
They'll help you recover your money.
okay, that's good to know.
Yeah.
So say, like, despite our best efforts,
Yeah.
we actually do fall victim to one of these scams. What should we do?
Okay, first, don't panic. It happens.
Yeah, you gotta act quickly though.
The first thing you do is report the scam
Okay,
to the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center.
okay, write that down, everybody, for sure.
You can also file a complaint with the Federal Trade Commission.
Okay, 2 avenues to pursue.
Yeah, and if you shared any financial information,
Uh-oh.
contact your bank or credit card company right away.
So just be really proactive.
Exactly. Be proactive about preventing scams. Yeah. And if you become a victim, take action.
Take action right away.
Don't wait.
Okay, so it sounds like awareness is really key here.
Awareness is absolutely the key. Absolutely. See what I did there?
Yeah, by understanding these scams.
And taking these precautions,
Right.
you can enjoy online shopping without falling prey to these Grinchy tactics.
Yeah, nobody wants a Grinch at Christmas time.
No one!
So to recap, when you're eagerly awaiting a package, check the URLs and be wary of unsolicited messages.
Always. And do your research.
Before making a purchase of any type.
Yeah, great advice, thanks.
So I want to leave our listeners with something to think about.
Ooh, I like this part.
Why do you think these scams are so effective?
Great question.
Especially during the holiday season? What is it about our mindset
All right, go on.
that makes us vulnerable?
Wait for it.
Scammers know our inner selves. Yeah. What are your emotions? How are they being exploited?
Preach.
And no, you must keep that in mind when you're shopping online.
That's a great takeaway.
Thanks for joining us for another adventure in preventing scammers from separating you from your hard-earned money. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel as new videos will be published frequently in 2025.